This is Alard item Y5372. It is a Alard manufacturing food grade cement mixer. That's our kind of nickname for it. It is a tumble mixer. You can use it as a coating or seasoning barrel or with whatever kind of mixing application you might have that would work in this context. Obviously it's a batch process. You put the product in and turn it on, and then you tilt it back down and dump the product out after you've let it mix for a while. It is all stainless steel. It has a real nice heavy-duty frame. As you can see here, it has power tilt, of course. See if I get a little further away here so you get a better look. And we'll give you a closer look at the inside of this mixing vessel in just a minute. Before I get to the next segment here, I want to mention that the barrel is 40 inches in diameter by 44 inches deep. It has about 102 gallons capacity, 13.9 cubic feet, give or take. And we'll give you some more detail in a second. As you can see, the vessel has a 25-inch diameter infeed and discharge opening. And inside, let me see if I can zoom out just a bit for a better look. As you can see, it has, let's see, it says 3 6-inch wide by 35-inch long baffles. Has a 67-inch high infeed, as you see it sitting here now. And the vessel tips over in that direction for discharge. And it discharges at a, let's see, 38-inch discharge height. We'll show you the movement in just a minute. It has a 1 horsepower 3-phase drive, and we're gonna turn this on and let it mix. We'll put some product in and start it up. So there's the product spinning around in there, coming off the baffles, which are kind of stirring it a little bit. And we'll just let it mix for a while here. So presumably we've mixed long enough, and we're going to discharge now. And out comes the mixed product, all done and ready for another cycle. So if you have any questions about this tumble mixer, please give us a call at Alard Equipment at 315-589-4511, and we can talk about your food grade mixing application. And in the meantime, as you can see, this Alard manufacturing food grade stainless steel tumble mixer is here at Alard Equipment. Go ahead, Gary, turn it back up. In excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition, available for immediate shipment from Alard Equipment Company in Williamson, New York, and it is our item number Y5372. Thanks, Gary.